Welcome to Melbourne, Australia. In this video, we're going to show you the South Bank. It's this area right over here. Across the rivers where you have the best view of the Central Business District. Look at this. And the plan for today is to walk as far as we can and then come back for a special sunset in one of the highest points in Melbourne. Good morning. After a few days in Australia, I think it's finally time to try something very unique here. This is Vegemite. I learned that before putting the Vegemite, you need to put some butter. That's the secret. That's enough for now. Courage. This is like a spread, a jelly, looks like. It smells like it. Okay, that's it.
Go ahead.
It's not bad, actually. I think I ate the right way. Just makes the toast salty. I'll have it again. Vegemite approved. Your turn. Come on. Can you believe that this was mostly an industrial area, until a few decades ago?
Yeah, I can believe. Can you believe it was just brush before too?
But seriously, all these high rises here, all this transformation only started from the 1990s.
30 years ago.
And this tower kind of resembles the Eiffel Tower, doesn't it?
I don't know about that.
This is so nice. I already love it. This is now a densely populated area, the entertainment center of Melbourne and home to some of the tallest buildings in the country. We're going up one of them later today for the sunset. So for now, stick around as I'm gonna show what else you can do here. The first thing that we see, look at that. It's a food court. This is open from morning to late. What's late for you, Gordon?
Open till 6 a.m.
Oh, not so early.
No.
What is late?
I don't know. Zatar.
You really like the Middle Eastern food now, huh?
Are we eating? I can choose that.
Southgate is also a mall, and there are some cafes here. Very interesting. I expected only to find high-end dining options here in the South Bank, but no, there are some affordable options here at the mall. The South Bank is known as the Arts District, but it could easily be the dining district as well. Look at how many options you have over here, and all of them with great views. This is the Yarra River, very famous and very important here in Melbourne. And if you want to go for a river cruise, this is where all the boats depart. This monument here was inspired by Ophelia from Hamlet, and today it is a synonym with Melbourne. All this still here in front of the mall. It's super easy to get to the side here because there are so many bridges. Look at that. You can easily walk. How cool is a floating restaurant, huh?
Yeah, very. Skydeck.
Later, baby. Later. Got a treat for you. Trust me. The restaurants are so cool over here. It's like you're stopping at every restaurant here.
Yeah, because it's lunchtime. I'm hungry.
This bridge is a homage to us.
Us?
Yeah, it's called the Travelers.
Oh yeah?
The Travelers. No, actually, it's a homage to all the migrants. People came from everywhere until they made it here to Melbourne. Seriously, people talk about the US as being the country of immigrants. I think Australia is.
Canada, United States, United Kingdom, Qatar, all of these countries.
Look at all the immigrants where they came from. Brazil! People came from Rio, São Paulo, Santos, Bahia, Brasília. Wow. And they even list here when the arrivals happened, numbers, and the language that people speak. How cool. And they list so many countries all over the bridge.
Não entendi.
What?
Australia, Victoria.
How many came to Australia? How many came to Victoria?
I don't understand.
Victoria is a state.
Oh, the state. Oh. Oh, okay.
Is there Canada?
Of course.
Ah, there you go.
Look at that. The convicts came in. The convicts
they
came in
came as
1838. Oh, look at how many. 27,020. That's a lot of Canadians.
Canadians came as convicts, Brazilians came as economic migrants, refugees, and to date, skilled professionals. I thought only the UK sent their prisoners.
You know what they did?
Kicked them out. These sculptures represent the journey that these migrants made until here and their contribution to the country.
Okay, so let's go eat now.
It's hard to choose somewhere to eat here in Melbourne because you got so many options, but seeing these floating restaurants, we had no doubt. So beautiful here. I didn't expect the restaurant would be this beautiful. The name of the restaurant is Yara Botanica. It's like a botanic garden. Do you feel like you're in a boat?
No, there's no waves.
It's very stable, huh? You order everything directly from your phone. So here you have the options to give a tip, or you can say maybe next time, and it starts at 5%. Thank you. Thank you so much. Cheers! Cheers!
Some sausage rolls.
Thank you. Thank you so much. These are the most unique sausage rolls we've ever had.
When can I go?
Tell me first, what is this?
Sausage rolls.
What kind of sausage?
Pork and something special.
Which is?
We're gonna have to try first. It's good?
Is it different?
No, I can't tell. It's good though.
It's delicious. Wow, so many flavors.
What is it?
This is kangaroo meat. I didn't know that they eat this in Australia. You can't tell the difference from other types of meat. We had to sit over here to just admire the view. Bye, thank you. Back to the promenade, so let's just keep walking. In addition to all the bars and restaurants, guess what else they have here along the promenade?
Bathrooms?
I haven't seen one, by the way.
Oh.
What else?
Jogging track, canoeing. Oh, a casino. A gambler's mecca called the casino.
Not just a casino. This is the largest casino in the entire Southern Hemisphere. Open 24 hours. Wow, look at this effect. How cool, huh? It's like it's a thunderstorm. Oh, the casino's down there. Normally, cannot film inside casino, so can't show you much.
Let's get out of here. Don't get burned in Melbourne.
The right pronunciation.
Melbourne.
How?
Melbourne.
Australians actually don't pronounce the R, so it's more like Melbourne.
Yeah.
You even see Ned Kelly here, huh? Wow, all this is still the casino. From that tower all the way to here. For how long have you been walking now?
All day.
This is huge.
All day. Thankfully, I got hungry and it stopped us for a bit. Got a little bit of relaxation. These ducks are different, huh? Looks how it looked both sides.
Nothing here basically in the 1980s.
No, it was all industrial.
Yeah, but I mean, nothing of this. Not how it is today. There's even a historical boat here, sailboat, that you can go for a visit. Meet Polly Woodside. She was built in 1885 in Belfast, Northern Ireland, with the purpose of deep water trading around the world. And look at where I found her in 2023, Melbourne, Australia. As we are in the artsy district, I was looking at galleries, museums, and I discovered this exhibition here that seems to be so unique. I don't even know how to describe it. I don't know what to expect. Let's go check it out. Monet and Friends. Can I get 2 tickets, please?
Yeah, sure. The entrance is just down there
Oh,
on your
okay.
left.
Thank you very much. Directly from an Impressionist painting. Smells like flowers. Oh, this is a perfect definition of Impressionism and why it was so important. Because before, everything was done in a studio as realistic as possible, and the Impressionists wanted exactly to change all that. If you arrive between presentations, you have no idea what you're seeing. You're surrounded by lights and colors, and this space is an invitation to make yourself comfortable and just wait. Either from the ground level or the mezzanine. But when it starts, get ready to be amazed. You get immersed in a whole different world. Monet and Friends was a temporary exhibition at the Louvre. When you visit Melbourne, there will probably be different exhibitions, and it's worth checking for yourself. In this one, some screens explained what inspired Monet, Cézanne, Renoir, and other artists to create this type of art. The rest of the screens give examples of real paints and sculptures. Come on! And of course, being in Melbourne, you could also see all this from a cafe. I finally learned what Impressionism is all about, and I love it. Worth it. What did you understand?
There is no light without color.
Come back here.
I'm full of color.
Then you say, in essence, they explain you Impressionism.
Where someone invented tubes to carry paint, so you could carry them outdoors. Now you're painting outdoors, not just interiors in a studio. Simplest.
And you're painting your impression of reality, not trying to recreate the perfect reality. Very cool. This is the first permanent digital gallery in the Southern Hemisphere. Now I even feel reinvigorated to walk everything back. Do you?
I don't need Monet to reinvigorate me.
Are you ready? How long is the walk? Seriously, we gotta walk everything back.
20 minutes, it's easy. Easy
That's
peasy.
it? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's go. Look at those bees in the facade of the building, how cute! Based on what I read online, the beehive is a metaphor for the frenetic city living.
Gigante.
Gigante.
Oh,
They're huge.
cuidado.
Yeah.
Cuidado.
And they're right at the building that we're going to. This is Eureka Tower. It used to be the tallest building in Australia when it was built, but not anymore.
No? Which is taller?
I think there's another one even here in Melbourne.
Oh, okay.
All right, so just two.
For the happy hour.
Sure. All right, so that's $40
Okay.
on card.
Been there? Been there? Been there? Eureka.
Hi guys, I'm Sky there. Please,
Thank you.
towards the
Thank you.
windows, enjoy that.
Thank you.
This was the world's tallest residential building when it was built, but it's still the highest observation deck in the Southern Hemisphere. This is the Central Business District right here. From here you can see a lot of the places that I showed in the previous videos.
Federation Square, huh?
The train station right here. Oh, look at the stadiums. Yeah. Well, Melbourne is the city of sports, huh?
Is it?
World capital of sports.
Which sports?
All of them. Melbourne's version of the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. See Buddha?
Yeah. Just a shame we didn't have the time to go to the beach, huh?
Oh, I could have. 25 minutes away.
Yeah, it's not far. Look at this. From where we are, I thought it was really far away, but no.
Let's get a drink. Let's get that free drink before they refuse us.
What makes you think they're gonna refuse us?
Oh no. Probably a ton limit. 1 foot of me with 1 foot of you.
This was the best deal ever. We got discount tickets and 2 free drinks. All we had to do is mention the secret phrase, happy hour. It's a deal going on when we are here, so when you're visiting, make sure you check their website. Maybe there's something similar going on. Hi, can I get a red wine with this?
Yes.
Australian beer?
Purian Sun or Mornington Draft?
Which one's better?
Mornington Draft?
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, guys. Enjoy.
Thanks. Cheers. To Australia, to Melbourne. Look at my selfie. There's also an open area over here where you don't have the glass reflection. That is the edge. It is a separate ticket to go there. Walk over the glass floor. The sunset up here is absolutely gorgeous. And it was amazing to see Melbourne from the top. So cool, two totally different experiences, day and night. And when you get down here, it's all still very lively. A lot going on. Wow, how cool! I didn't expect that. Must be, yeah. You feel the heat all the way over here. Look at how far we are. The South Bank is definitely a place to also check out at night.